I'm just showing you two types of shading techniques for permanent pen. As you can't vary the pressure, you can only vary the width or distance apart between the lines. So we'll start with hatching, which is one directional shading. The further apart you are, the lighter it looks. The closer together the lines, the darker it looks. Great for contours and directional shading. Then we have cross hatching, which is the same as hatching, but you can use different directions for your shading. The more directions you add, the darker it appears. Again, the closer you go with the lines, the darker it looks more so, and the further apart, the slightly lighter it works. And then I'll just add a shadow with hatching line work so you can see how it looks like it's on a flat surface. There we go, that's shading.